Hello and welcome to another video from TW White & Sons Mazda. Today we've got something slightly different to show you. This particular model has just come in off of a part exchange. As you can see, it is not a Mazda. It's actually a Toyota Highlander 2.5 litre VVT-h, 248 horsepower, and it's all-wheel drive as well. Excel automatic, finished in red, one owner from new, and just under 10,000 miles. So a very low mileage example here. I'll just take you around the exterior to start with. As you can see, it's in very good condition. The only minor defects on this car, a couple of scuffs on the alloys that will be rectified before sale, so nothing to worry about there. The car will be immaculate and ready to go before sale. I'll show you the boot space to start with. So touch of a button and it opens up. It's an electric tailgate, so it's automatically opening there, as you can see. In the back here, you've got your boot space, you've got a JBL speaker in the back too, and being a larger vehicle, you do have additional seats in this car. So you've got the back row here, and you've also got another set there. Of course, if I was to pull this here, this lever, I can pop that down. So you do have a very large boot if you're not using the back two seats. The rear passengers also have two cup holders either side, just there. And if I was to close the boot, it's simply one button and it will close up. So it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. It's also a hybrid. And I can show you here as well, it does have the reverse camera along with the sensors. Take you round to the side, this side of the vehicle. As I said before, it's in very good condition. All the paintwork and bodywork looks very nice. Onto the back to start with. In the back there, you do have the seats in the back. Of course, I've just put that down to show you the boot space. Of course, with that lever, you can pull it back up. You've got a back row here of 3 seats. You've also got your climate control settings in the back, along with some charging ports as well. You do have the option to pull this down in the middle of the row, if there's no one in the middle seat, of course, and you do have 2 cup holders and an armrest there for those longer journeys. I'll just show you as well, it does actually have a blind in the back as well to block that light out, and of course it does clip up to the top. Before I take you inside the vehicle, I'll just show you some other features, one of them being the blind spot monitoring. And the indentations here symbolise it does have the keyless entry as well. So lots of spec on this car. Onto the door to start with as well. You've got the electric windows as well as the electric mirrors that are folding. You've got the memory seats here, electric memory seats that can be saved using these settings, both 1 and 2. So you can set those how you like. Ideal if you're sharing a vehicle with someone, because you may have different seating positions. So a very nice feature there. Just here as well, you've got the auto headlights. You can open up your boot with the bottom right button there, and the left is the heated steering wheel. So it's off and it's on. So touch of a button, you can turn that on, and you can also increase the brightness or decrease the brightness using this lever on the right here for your brightness, for your lights. So I'll just take you inside the vehicle now, show you the interior. So it is a black leather upholstery finish throughout this car. And again, the seats are very well looked after, no major marks or scuffs. And the vehicle has been very well looked after with no unpleasant smells as well, which is always good. I'll show you the steering wheel to start with. On the right of the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control settings. So you can control all of that using these buttons here. Onto the left is your volume controls and telephone controls there. So you can turn the volume up or down, answer or decline calls as well, and go for a few options in the center screen with this too. Just here, you've got your paddles, both up and down as well. You've of course got auto wipers and auto headlights as well, just there. In the center of the vehicle, I did mention earlier, just under 10,000 miles on the clock. In the center, you've got a digital speed limit there, and speedometer there, and also the speed limit will show as well the road signs. So just there you see the red circle. That will show you the current road speed as well. So it's always good to know the speed of the road that you're on. In the center, you've got your entertainment screen, which has a built-in sat-nav. And like I showed you earlier, this vehicle has JBL speakers throughout, so a great sound system. Just beneath that as well, your dual climate control settings, all operated using the buttons here. You've got the heated seats for both passenger and driver. So to turn it on, you simply press the button and it's on 3. You've got 2, 1 or off, 3 being the hottest setting. So if you wanted it on, you just press that and leave it, and it will automatically go lower as the duration of the journey goes on. You've got your hazard button there, so very self-explanatory, but good to know where it is in each vehicle. Just beneath that as well, you've got some more charging ports there. You've got 2 USB-C ones, a standard USB and a 12 volt as well. You've got 2 cup holders in the center. You've got your gearbox here, so park, reverse, neutral, drive and sport to the right, or you do have the option to go through the modes here. So I'll show you that now. So if I was to press it up, for example, you've got sport mode, down, normal mode, and down again, eco. Standard driving mode is of course the normal mode. So that's just there. Electric parking brake and auto hold. You've also got EV mode. Being a hybrid, you can drive it solely on electric as well. You can also turn off the traction if you wish to do so. You do have the option to do that. You've also got the sunroof in this vehicle. So you can see here, this is how you use the sunroof. So you control it by pressing that button and it will open up. So a nice large sunroof here, making it a bit more airy inside, a bit more open feel to the car. So very nice to have that. I'll just show you here as well. You've got the armrest as well, and also just inside it you have the wireless charging as well. So if you have a smartphone that's compatible and it's flat, it will charge that phone too. Just beneath that, a deep bit as well, bit of storage here, another 12 volt port and a small tray that comes with the vehicle, so you can have that as you like it. And then if I just pull this back up, here you go, here is your armrest there. Onto the back, I did touch on that earlier. You've got the 3 seats there, you've got additional seats in the back, climate control in the back as well, so everyone is going to benefit from the air conditioning system. And I did mention the JBL speakers throughout the vehicle, so you've got those throughout, so great sound system. So this vehicle is available now. If you do have any questions regarding it, please feel free to get in touch with us, whether it be via email or if you're giving us a call. If it is out of hours or we don't respond for any reason, we will get back to you at the earliest available opportunity as well. So don't hesitate to get in touch any time of the day. We do offer part exchange, so any part exchange, any make or model, we will offer you competitive prices on those as well. So feel free to get in touch with any part exchange queries as well. We also offer finance options, both PCP and HP. Once again, for the full terms and conditions on that, please feel free to get in touch and someone will answer all of your questions as well. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has been, or you've enjoyed it, please do leave a like on it. If you've got any questions regarding this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in touch and someone will help you out. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you very much.